In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an ElevenLabs subscription. If you find this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to use our affiliate link when signing up, as it really supports our channel. Now, let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll need to access your ElevenLabs dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the bottom left of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Doing this will open up a menu with several options. From these, you'll want to select Subscription. This is where the magic happens, as clicking Subscription will open a new section displaying all the subscription options available to you. Now, it's crucial to take your time here. You'll find a detailed list and an accompanying table outlining the benefits that come with each subscription level. This information is laid out to help you make an informed decision, so give it your full attention. As you read through the options, think about what you need most from your ElevenLabs experience. Maybe you're a professional looking for advanced features to enhance your workflow, or perhaps you're a hobbyist who needs something more basic. Regardless of your circumstances, there's likely a plan that fits your needs like a glove. Now, take a moment to weigh the benefits against the cost for each subscription level, ensuring you strike the right balance between functionality and budget. If you're having trouble deciding which plan is right for you, try making a quick list of the features you can't do without. Compare this to the benefits outlined in the table. Is unlimited access crucial for your projects? Do you need priority support or additional resources? These are some of the considerations you should keep in mind while choosing. Remember, selecting the right subscription isn't just about picking the cheapest or the most expensive option. Instead, it's about finding the plan that maximizes your use of the platform and aligns with what you're hoping to accomplish. Choosing wisely now can save you time and headache later by ensuring you have all the necessary tools at your disposal. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating through the subscription options on your ElevenLabs dashboard. Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to help you make the most out of your ElevenLabs experience. Don't forget to use our affiliate link if you decide to sign up. It helps us create more great content for you. Happy selecting, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.